Excuse that tank, I'm working in it. Welcome back. On the last video, we covered this tank. We chopped all these stems up. If you want to see what this looked like, check out my videos on my homepage. It was the one right before this. We went all through it. Hey, there's fish in there. We didn't get a CPD through. Anyway. But it's time to get these and get them replanted in this tank we reset. So this is what it looks the day after. So it didn't take a whole lot of time to settle. Sometimes it'll take a little longer. I wasn't sure how long it would take. But you can see it's fairly clear now. And we can get it planted. The colors in there already look phenomenal. As far as how I plant these, it is best to get like the bottom leaves off here. Just kind of pull those off. Boom, I got a nice long stem there. And kind of plant it down. And then, now those bottom leaves, they'll go away. And now to do it a bunch of times. That tank looked like that, now it looks like this. It was fully planted, looking nice and clean. Didn't take it long to settle, settled within a day. Already adding lots of color to the tank and to the area. I did leave the crypts in there. You can see on top of the leaves, there's like this mulm that had settled on the leaves. Now, for this, you do want to get in there, kind of waft those off. See how it's nice and clean now? Usually if you got fish in here, especially if they're mouthy fish, they'll clean that up for you. Just a simple little tickle of the plant. Knock all that off. Because if you don't, it'll grow algae and or you'll get holes in your leaves. Waft, waft, waft. I did leave a couple floaters here. I'll probably get rid of them as I sell stuff on the website, because you can see here, even my trimmings kind of needed trimming now. I mean, this is already hitting the top of the water. So now I should have a nice Luigia farm going on in this 40-gallon. Sand substrate. It's actually got the single LED bulbs on it, 2 of them, just halfway. We often overlight, and it's almost better to underlight. You can see I left all the mulm in there, which is just like new dirt. Blended in with the sand. Helps feed everything. And it helps keep the water clarity clear too. That's why my water clarity is as good as it is. And just in case you wanted a little gander of what that tank looks like now after the trim, here it is. There we go, one more tank set and ready to go. Putting in the work. Hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe you'll learn something. Make your aquariums a little bit easier in the future. Appreciate you all watching. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet or the like button, that would be much appreciated. We're doing a lot of cool things in here and getting things in order. I'm excited for the future and hopefully you guys will join me. Take care. I'll see you on the next one.